Tired of mosquitoes and annoying bugs ruining your evenings? Before you buy a bug zapper, watch this. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best mosquito traps and bug zappers of 2026. We'll compare trapping and zapping performance, coverage area, ease of cleaning, safety features, and overall value. Whether you need something for your bedroom, patio, backyard, or indoor spaces, we've got options for different needs and budgets. Stay tuned until the end to see our number 1 pick and find out which mosquito trap offers the best performance in 2026. Let's get started. Number 5. The STEM Flying Insects Fan Trap offers a simple, chemical-free way to help reduce unwanted flying pests indoors. The main idea behind this trap is straightforward. Instead of relying on sprays or traditional bug zappers, it uses a fan-based trapping system to draw flying insects toward the device and capture them inside. Its compact design makes it suitable for everyday indoor spaces such as kitchens, bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and other areas where flying insects can become a nuisance. One of the biggest advantages is the chemical-free approach. There's no need to spray insecticide around your living space, making it a convenient option for people who prefer a cleaner pest control method. The fan operates quietly enough for typical indoor use, while the enclosed trapping mechanism helps keep captured insects contained. When the trap needs cleaning, you can simply access the collection area and dispose of the insects. The device is also designed for easy, everyday operation. Simply place it in an area where flying insects are commonly seen, turn it on, and let the fan-based system work continuously. Number 4. The Thermacell E55 rechargeable repeller is designed to create a mosquito protection zone without the need for sprays, sticky lotions, or traditional mosquito coils. The E55 uses a heat-activated repellent system to create an invisible zone around you. Once activated, the repellent is dispersed into the surrounding air, helping keep mosquitoes away from your immediate outdoor area. One of the biggest advantages is its rechargeable design. Instead of constantly replacing batteries, you can recharge the E55 and take it with you for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, fishing, backyard gatherings, and patio dinners. The compact and portable design makes it easy to carry or place on a table. You don't need to apply anything directly to your skin, which makes the system especially convenient when you're relaxing outdoors. Operation is also simple. Turn the device on, allow it to warm up, and give the repellent zone time to establish. Once it's running, you can focus on enjoying your outdoor activities instead of constantly swatting mosquitoes. The E55 is particularly useful for creating a more comfortable space on patios, decks, campsites, and other outdoor areas. For best results, it should be used according to the manufacturer's instructions and positioned appropriately for the area you're trying to protect. Number 3. The Bug Bug Zapper offers a simple, chemical-free way to help control flying pests without sprays or messy insect traps. The main feature is its UV light attraction system. The light attracts many flying insects toward the device, where they come into contact with the internal electric grid. The zapper then eliminates the insects, while the enclosed design helps keep everything contained. One of the biggest advantages is its chemical-free operation. You don't need insecticide sprays, sticky traps, or strong-smelling chemicals, making it a convenient option for kitchens, patios, garages, bedrooms, offices, and other areas where flying insects can become a nuisance. The Bug Zapper is also designed for easy everyday use. Simply position it in an appropriate location, plug it in, and allow the UV light to attract insects. For better results, placing it away from competing light sources can help make the device more attractive to flying pests. Maintenance is straightforward as well. Depending on the model, a removable collection tray or accessible interior makes it easier to clean away dead insects and keep the zapper working efficiently. Its compact design allows it to fit comfortably into different spaces without taking up much room, while the continuous operation means you don't have to constantly monitor or replace traditional traps. Number 2. The Flowtron Bug Zapper is a popular electric insect killer designed to help control mosquitoes, flies, moths, and other flying pests without using sprays or pesticides. One of its main features is the UV light attraction system. Flying insects are naturally drawn toward the light, and once they reach the device, they come into contact with the electrically charged grid and are eliminated. The Flowtron is particularly useful for outdoor areas such as patios, decks, porches, gardens, and backyard entertaining spaces. Instead of applying chemicals directly to the surrounding area, the zapper provides a localized method of insect control. Another advantage is its automatic operation. Once plugged in and positioned correctly, it can continuously attract and eliminate flying insects without requiring constant attention. The protective outer housing is designed to help keep the high-voltage grid enclosed while allowing insects to reach the light and grid inside. This makes the unit practical for regular outdoor use, although it should always be positioned and maintained according to the manufacturer's safety instructions. Maintenance is relatively simple. As insects accumulate, the device can be cleaned periodically to maintain airflow, light visibility, and overall performance. Number 1. The Dynatrap DT1050SR is designed to attract and trap unwanted flying pests without relying on sprays or messy insecticides. Its main advantage is the multi-stage attraction system. The unit uses UV light and other attractants to draw flying insects toward the trap. Once insects approach, the built-in fan pulls them into the collection area, where they remain contained. Unlike traditional electric bug zappers, the Dynatrap's trapping approach is designed to eliminate insects without the constant loud popping associated with high-voltage zappers. That can make it a more pleasant option for patios, decks, porches, and other outdoor living spaces. The DT1050SR is also designed for continuous operation. Once plugged in and positioned correctly, it can work around the clock to help reduce flying insect activity in the surrounding area. Another useful feature is the easy-to-clean collection basket. When the trap becomes full, you can remove the basket, empty it, and put it back into place without handling the captured insects directly. Placement is important for getting the best results. Positioning the trap in an open area away from competing lights and close to areas where mosquitoes and other flying insects are active can help improve its effectiveness. The unit is designed for outdoor use and can be a useful addition to patios, gardens, porches, and backyard entertaining areas. It doesn't require you to spray insecticide across your outdoor space, making it a convenient alternative for people who prefer trap-based pest control.